Dr. Aurora Deuk-Machen. We're at the Deuk Spine Institute, and this is one of my patients. And she had the Deuk laser disc repair done about a week ago. How you doing?
Much better. Prior to the surgery, I could not stand, sit, walk, get comfortable. Pain in my leg all the way to the foot, couldn't feel the foot, and now I can walk upstairs and walk prolonged amounts of time during the day, and no more pain and no more numbness.
You happy?
Yeah.
I see a smile on your face.
Very much.
Mm-hmm.
I remember before surgery you weren't smiling too much, were you?
No, it was impossible. I couldn't do anything, and now I'm a lot more functional.
So why did you decide to have the Deuk laser disc repair as opposed to a traditional open surgery?
Well, for when I felt like I did my research and found the best physician I could find, and
Thank you.
did not want the long-term effects of a highly invasive surgery at my age, because I felt like I was too young and that there would have been an increased risk for a needed repeat procedure.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You didn't want bone removed from your spine either.
No,
right?
I wanted
Which-
the strongest spine I could have.
Yeah, that's important. And so do you feel like the surgery's made a positive impact in your life?
Oh yeah, very much so.
All right.
The recovery has been phenomenal.
You still have that leg pain?
No,
It's gone.
it's gone. It was gone that day.
And the back pain you had before surgery, do you still have that?
Just a tiny bit of soreness when I've overdone it.
So it's gone.
Yes.
Awesome. We're very happy for you.
Thanks. I'm happy too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
All right. Take care.